Hello guys, my name is Brownson and I'm a YouTube consultant, and this is my YouTube channel, YouTube Success Tips. So without waste of time, I'm just going to give you guys a general overview of what this channel is all about so that you understand why you are here and what to expect in this channel. As I said, the name of this channel is YouTube Success Tips, and it is a channel where I give you guys the tips, the tricks, and the strategy to succeed on YouTube, especially as a Cameroonian or as an African. So you may be a Cameroonian or an African out there, you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, probably you have a business or you want to venture into, you have a vlog idea, you have something as an idea you want to do, but you have no idea of how the YouTube algorithm goes together. You probably may be a singer and you want to be doing covers of songs, you want to do things, you want to do comedy, you want to do maybe short films and stuff like that, and you don't know how to go about it. This is exactly where you ought to be. YouTube Success Tips is a platform, it's a channel where I teach you guys YouTube algorithm. I myself been on the platform for more than 5 years now. I've acquired not bit of knowledge and skill on how the platform works and how everything operates as far as the channel is concerned, as far as the platform is concerned. So I have about 6 or 7 channels I'm running roughly, and it's been amazing. It's been an amazing journey so far. So as I said, you may have something you know how to display, you have something you know how to do. This channel is just for you. So I'm going to be doing and posting videos twice a week on this channel, YouTube Success Tips. I'm going to be posting videos on Tuesdays, and I'm going to be posting videos on Fridays. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe right now. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified each time I release a new video. So I really enjoy this place, I really enjoy being here, and I believe that if you're thinking about starting YouTube, then you should start YouTube. Maybe I should just do a brief motivation about YouTube, motivational speakers kind of stuff. You've got to be on YouTube. You have skills to display, you have things to make the world know. There is a young man called Justin Bieber. He started in 2009 or so. He was doing guitar videos and he was discovered by big producers like Sony, and from there his career picked up, and today he's among the top 10 most influential singers in the world. That could be the next you. I mean, if you have something to display, if you have a skill, you will do at maximum best. Even if you're not that excellent, you should start YouTube right now. You should start doing videos, you should start creating content, and there are so many reasons why you should do that. So if you're thinking about whether or not you should start a YouTube video, you should start a YouTube channel, well, I've got you covered. I have a video right here which is reasons why you must start YouTube. It's just there, and I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can start doing YouTube. And also, if you want to start YouTube but you don't know the applications to use, you don't know, you're like, I have just my phone, my mobile phone, what am I supposed to do? Well, I have another video right here that is going to tell you the top 5 apps you need to have as a YouTuber. It's just right here, and I'll equally leave the link in the description below to this video. And I have many other things. Some of you are like, I don't even know how to start a YouTube channel in the first place. Don't worry, I got you covered. I have another video right here that is going to tell you how to create a YouTube channel with just your mobile phone in less than 2 minutes. The video is right here, and again, it's in the description below. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As I said, stay around. Oh, I won't go without saying this. I have a WhatsApp platform where I teach guys YouTube. I do one-on-one counseling, I do one-on-one tutoring and coaching on how to do YouTube and the YouTube algorithm. I answer questions to my students and clients in WhatsApp. So I'm going to drop my number in the description below, and I also leave a link to the group in the description below. So if you're interested to join, you may feel free to join, and we are really having fun right there. The testimonies are just amazing. So as I said, if you're a Cameroonian and African, even worldwide, and you're interested in learning YouTube, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you stick around, watch the videos, and it's going to teach you everything on how to grow your channel organically. It breaks down the YouTube algorithm for you in every way. So I've really been out for a while now, but I'm back to do videos for you guys, and as I said, I'll be dropping videos every Tuesday and every Friday for you guys here on YouTube Success Tips. And we have our, what I call a slogan, which goes like, YouTube Success Tips, building your influence and income. I'm out. I'm Brownson. I love you guys. See you in my next videos. Ciao. I love you. Hello guys, good morning. My name is Brownson Lawrence and I'm doing this video today for my channel YouTube Success Tips. Oh, commence. N'annule pas. N'annule pas ça. Oui, vas-y. Hello guys, my name is Brownson Lawrence and I'm doing this video today for my channel YouTube Success Tips. On commence. Annule, on commence. Hello guys, my name is Brownson Lawrence and I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTube consultant.